what even is biohacking. And I, ironically enough, define it as a way to use modern tools and technology and supplements and modalities in order to revert us back to the way that we were historically. So like you were saying, like we've been fasting for eons. So why is it now this like new thing? And but like I'm saying, like with biohacking, so much of it is it's like adapting our environment and turning our environment into a way that would make us the way we were historically. So it's things like creating temperature fluctuations with cold exposure with cryotherapy or heat with sauna. It's wearing blue light blocking glasses to make it so that the light that you're seeing every day mimics the way we would have been seeing it when we were not under fluorescent lighting all the time.
Yeah.
So ironically, it is a lot of things that are things from the past. And that said, I actually, because people will say intermittent fasting is biohacking, I don't really consider it biohacking per se. I see it more as like two different things that go really well together.
Yeah. And if you think about it, you mentioned the hunter gatherers, and we're thinking about, ancestors, even our grandparents who were not exposed to processed foods. My guess is that they were eating within a 12-hour period, and they were eating 2 or 3 meals because it's real food. They probably didn't have the sugar cravings that we have in modern life. And so we're put in this environment today with all of these toxic inputs, whether it's the toxins from the air, from the water, from the processed foods, that is tricking our brains and hijacking our craving control, right? And this is where it's like, oh, it's such a big deal to not eat. Whereas before it was just natural. Like you're saying, it's not necessarily a biohack. It's a natural human behavior.